Identifying your motivated skills and strengths is crucial when making a decision to pivot into a new role. Let's find out why. In this video, we'll introduce you to motivated skills and strengths, take you through the steps to identify yours, and explore how to leverage them. Let's get started. These terms are used interchangeably and refer to what you're naturally good at and enjoy doing. They're activities that you find fulfilling, come easily to you, and give you a sense of accomplishment. For example, you might be really good at public speaking, writing, leadership, or have a talent for problem solving. These skills are often the result of natural talent, personal interest, and previous experience. The term strengths, while similar to motivated skills, also encompasses personal qualities, traits, and values. One factor that makes for a fulfilling career is achievement. In fact, most theories of human well-being and needs have achievement as a critical element. When our role matches our abilities, including our motivated skills and strengths, we perform well, leading to a sense of accomplishment and confidence. With confidence, we are more likely to approach challenges and new situations with a positive attitude. You should find ways to use your motivated skills and strengths in every job. Take a self-assessment test or a few. I am listing a few suggestions underneath this video. Remember that these assessments are not definitive, and the results are a starting point for further exploration. On that note, start a reflection log using Notion or similar software. Consider the following questions and examples. Think about times when you have felt engaged in your work or other activities. What were you doing, and what skills were you using? Consider the tasks and activities that you find effortless and come easily and naturally. Think about your community or professional network. Is there a task that people regularly call you for help with? Have you been praised for anything in particular? Use track record questions when assessing a potential role or career. What's the most similar work you've done before? How well did you perform? How quickly did you improve? What activities do you do better or more effectively than others? For example, do you quickly spot errors or simplify complex information? Your motivated skills and strengths form part of your career capital. If you want to know more about career capital, watch Understanding and Developing Your Career Capital. The steps to build your skills is similar to building your career capital, but with a more specific intention.
Apply them as much as you can where possible to build mastery. Practice makes perfect.
Make space for lifelong learning and professional development to enhance your motivated skills.
Collaborate with others who share your motivated skills to help you learn new techniques, get new perspectives, and build your network.
Seek new experiences and opportunities that allow you to use your motivated skills and strengths differently.
As our life circumstances change, other motivated skills emerge or become more important. Keep on assessing your strengths and motivated skills over time regularly. By doing so, you can use them in a way that brings you a competitive advantage and the most fulfillment in your personal and professional life. Let's break it down into some key takeaways that you can apply to your own career journey. Motivated skills and strengths refer to what you're naturally good at and enjoy doing. Using your motivated skills and strengths in your career leads to a sense of accomplishment and confidence, which are key to job satisfaction. Once you identify yours, build them through practice, lifelong learning, collaboration with others, and seeking new opportunities. What are your motivated skills? Let us know in the comments below, If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon to receive a notification when the next video comes out. Thank you for watching.